Book back problem number 7. A lab assistant prepared a solution by adding a calculated quantity of HCl gas at 25 degrees Celsius. To get a solution with hydronium ion concentration is equal to 4 into 10 power minus 5 m. Is a solution neutral or acidic or basic? So first you have to calculate the pH value and identify whether the solution is acidic, basic or neutral. What is the given value? Hydronium ion concentration is given in the problem 4 into 10 power minus 5 m. Instead of this H3O plus, we can replace that by H. Both are equal. Okay, so pH formula already know. pH is equal to negative log of H plus concentration to the base 10. So instead of H plus, you have to substitute this value 4 into 10 power minus 5. So minus of log 4 into 10 power minus 5. This is in the form of log A into B. Log A into B means what is log formula? Log A plus log B. Okay, so expand this means minus of log. This minus is common, so minus log 4 minus log 10 power minus 5. This is in the form of log A power n. So log A power n means n log A. Okay, so this is the expansion. So like that way you have to take this 5 to here means you have to minus into minus plus. So minus log 4 plus log 5 into log 10 value 1. So 5 minus log 4, 5 minus log 4 value 0.6020. If you subtract these two values means you can get pH is equal to 4.398. So solution is 4. Already you know the scale, pH scale. pH is equal to 7 means neutral solution. pH is greater than 7 means basic solution. pH is less than 7 means from 1 to 7 means it's acidic solution. So here this value is 4.38. It's below 7 means the solution is acidic. Next problem. Question number 8. Calculate the pH of 0.04 m of nitric acid HNO3 solution. So what is given? pH concentration is given 0.04. It's easy to calculate pH. So already you know the relation between pH and H plus concentration. pH is equal to negative log of H plus to the base 10. Instead of H plus you have to substitute 0.04. So minus log 0.04. 0.04 can be written in form of 4 into 10 power minus 2. So this is also in the form of log A into B. Log A into B is equal to log A plus log B. Okay, so again this negative sign is common for both the numbers. So you have to separate this two means minus log 4 minus log 10 power minus 2. This is in the form of log A power n. So you have to take this minus 2 here means n into log A means minus 2. Minus of minus 2 into log 10. So minus log 4 minus of minus 2 log 10 means plus 2. So take this 2 here because log 10 value 1. So 2 into log 4. Log 4 value 0.6021. So 2 minus 0.6021 means can get 1.3979. Problem number 14. Book back problem. Calculate the pH of 1.5 into 10 power minus 3 m solution of barium hydroxide BaOH twice. You know the formula for barium hydroxide is having the formula BaOH twice. Just you ionize this means you can get Ba2 plus, because from this formula you can know how to get barium formula. Barium hydroxide, barium is having 2 plus charge because it's having in the second group. Then OH is having minus 1. Okay, so cross the valence means you can get Ba1 OH twice. Okay, so if you decompose or ionize this means you can get Ba2 plus plus 2 into OH minus, right? So barium hydroxide is in the concentration 1.5 into 10 power minus 3. So here OH concentration, from here barium hydroxide is given means OH concentration because it's a base. Okay, so OH concentration for only 1 mole concentration is given. Here 2 hydroxide ions are here, so 2 into 15 1.5 into 10 power minus 3 means you can get 3 into 10 power minus 3 m. Okay, so already you know that pH plus POH is equal to 14. So pH is equal to 14 minus POH. So 14 minus of log OH. Otherwise, so first you calculate this log of POH value. POH is equal to negative log of OH minus. You can calculate that separately or you substitute here. Otherwise, you do here also. So minus of log OH. Minus of log OH is 3 into 10 power minus 3. So 14 plus, just this is in the form of log AB. So log A plus B, log 3, minus into minus plus, minus into minus, this minus into minus plus. Okay, this minus will come here. So log 3 minus 3, 14 minus 3 means 11, plus log 3 is having the value 0.4771. So add these two values. What is the answer you got? 11.48. Question number 15. 50 ml of 0.05 m of nitric acid is added to 50 ml of 0.025 m of potassium hydroxide. Calculate the pH of the solution. So what is the question asked? 50 ml of 0.05 m of nitric acid and 50 ml of 0.05 m of potassium hydroxide is adding. What is the calculate the pH value? Okay, so first you have to calculate the number of moles of HNO3 and potassium hydroxide. Number of moles of HNO3 can be calculated by using the formula concentration is equal to number of moles by volume. Okay, so number of moles can be calculated by C into V. Already know this relation. So number of moles of HNO3 is equal to what is the concentration given? 0.05 into volume in 50. Okay, so 0.05 into 50 into milliliters converted to liter means 10 power minus 3 is added. So this is having the value 2.5 into 10 power minus 3. Like the same way, number of moles of potassium hydroxide, it is in the concentration 0.025 into 50 into, it's in liter 10 power minus 3. So 1.025 into 10 power minus 3. So by mixing these two, what is the number of moles of HNO3 after mixing? Because just to compare this number of moles, 2.5 into 10 power minus 3 and 1.25 into 10 power minus 3. Just you are mixing this two means after mixing this, how much is remaining? In the H, this is a neutralization reaction. Okay, so how much amount of OH is there, that much H plus is used up or neutralized with this OH. எவ்வளவு OH minus இருக்கோ அந்த அளவு தான் என்ன இருக்கும், H plus ions இது வந்து பேலன்ஸ் பண்ணும். ரிமைனிங் இஸ் தேர். ஓகே, ஸோ யூ ஹேவ் டு கேல்குலேட் தி நம்பர் ஆஃப் மோல்ஸ் ஆஃப் HNO3 ஆஃப்டர் மிக்சிங். ஆஃப்டர் மிக்ஸ் ஆன பிறகு, ரெண்டு மிக்ஸ் ஆன பிறகு எவ்வளவு HNO3 மிக்சர் இருக்கும். ஏன்னா HNO3 concentration is more, right? So 2.5 into 10 power minus 3 minus 1.25 into 10 power minus 1.25, right? 1.25 here. Okay, so 1.25 into 10 power minus 3 means how much is remaining? 1.25 into 10 power minus 3. So concentration of HNO3 is equal to number of moles divided by volume. After mixing the total volume, because total volume in liter we doesn't know, by simple step we can calculate 50 ml and 50 ml. So 100 ml milliliter to liter means 100 into 10 power minus 3 liter. So what is the formula to calculate H plus concentration? H plus concentration is equal to C by V. Concentration by volume. Concentration is 1.25. After mixing, how much is remaining? 1.25 into 10 power minus 3 divided by 100 into 10 power minus 3. So if you divide this 2 means you can get 1.25 into 10 power minus 2. So pH value you got. H plus is equal to 1.25. So can you calculate pH? pH is equal to minus of log H plus. H plus, instead of H plus you have to substitute 1.25 into 10 power minus 2. This is in the form of log A into B. Log A into B is equal to log A plus B. So minus log 1.25 minus of is outside. So log minus of log 1.25 plus log 10 power minus 2. So taking this negative sign inside the bracket, minus log 1.25 minus into minus plus minus. So minus of log 10 power minus 2. So this is in the form of log A power n. Okay, so A power n means n log A. Okay, so this minus 2 will come here means plus 2 log 10. So minus log 1.25 plus log 2, because log 10 value is equal to 1. So 2 minus log 1.25 value is 0.0969. So log 2 minus log of 1.25, this value means you can get pH is equal to 1.9031. Next, problem number 16. Ka value for hydrogen cyanide is 10 power minus 9. What is the pH of 0.4 molar HCN solution? Ka value is given. Calculate the pH for this concentration of hydrogen cyanide solution. Okay, so what is the given value? K is given 10 power minus 9, then concentration is given 0.4. Then what is the formula to calculate pH? pH is equal to minus of log H plus concentration to the base 10. So only H plus concentration is given. You have to calculate what is the relation between Ka and concentration. By using the dissociation constant of acid and the concentration, we know to calculate H plus. So H plus is equal to, this is derived by Oswald dilution law. H plus is equal to, concentration is equal to root of Ka into C. So instead of Ka, you have to substitute 10 power minus 9. Ka value 10 power minus 9, concentration 0.4. So root of 10 power minus 9 into 4 into, this can be written as 4 into 10 power minus 1. So 4 into 10 power minus 9 into minus 1 plus into minus 1 means 10 power minus 10. So this is because we have to take the root, it is easy to calculate for even numbers. Okay, so root of 4 means 2, root of 10 power minus 10 means 10 power 5 minus 5. Okay, so H plus concentration is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 5. Then you substitute here, instead of H plus you have to substitute 2 into 10 power minus 5. So log to this in the form of log A into B. Log A into B is equal to log A plus log B. So log of minus 2, this is negative sign common for all two terms. So log minus of log 2 minus log 10 to the power minus 5. So my minus log 2 minus into minus, this minus 5 will come here, means minus of minus 5 log 10. So minus log 2 plus 5, log 10 value 1. So 5 minus log 2 value already know 0.3010. So 5 minus 0.3010 means 4.699. Problem number 17. Calculate the extent of hydrolysis and the pH of 0.1 m ammonium acetate given that Ka is equal to Kb is equal to 1.8 into 10 power minus 5. So already we know that Kw is equal to K into Kb into Kh. Okay, so by using this relation, can we calculate Kh? Kh is equal to Kw by K into Kb. Okay, so H is equal to root of Kh. That is the extent of hydrolysis is equal to, instead of Kh you have to substitute this value. So root of Kw by K into Kb, because already we know that Kw is a constant, K and Kb is given in the problem. Okay, so by using that values you can calculate H. H is called to be extent of hydrolysis. So H is equal to root of Kw is 1 into 10 power minus 14 divided by 1.8 into 10 power 5 minus 5 into 1.8 into 10 power minus 5. Okay, so 1 into 10 power minus 14 divided by 1.8 into 1.8, just we add this 10 power minus 10. 10 power minus 10 go to the numerator, means 1 into 10 power minus 14 into 10 power 10 divided by 1 into 8 into 198. So simplify this, means 1 into 10 power minus 4 divided by 1 into 8 into 198. Then we can simplify this, means root of this means twice this number is this, so we have to take root, means 1.8. 10 power minus 4 in root square root of 10 power minus 4 is 10 power minus 2 divided by 1.8 is equal to, you can get 0.745 into 10 power minus 2. Already we know that pH value can also be asked to calculate there. So pH is equal to half of pKw plus half of pKa minus half of pKb. This is a formula already we've studied from this lesson. So substitute the values instead of pKw, pKa and pKb. So half of pKw plus half into pKa value is because pKw we don't know. pKa is 1.8 into 10 power minus 5. Then pKb is also 1.8 into 10 power minus 5. So these two values can cancel. pKw is equal to 14 because Kw already we know 1 into 10 power minus 14. So for calculation of pKw means 14. So half into 14 Simplify this means 7. So pH of the solution is 7. Next problem number 19. Solubility product of Ag2CrO4 is 1 into 10 power minus 12. What is the solubility of Ag2CrO4 in 0.01 AgNO3 solution? So what is given? AgNO3 oda solubility product is given. You have to calculate the solubility of Ag2Cr2O4 in AgNO3 solution. AgNO3 solution la idoda solubility calculate panna sollirukku. Okay, so KSB of Ag2Cr2O4 is given as 1 into 10 power minus 12. So if Ag2Cr2O4 are undergoing decomposition or ionization means we can get Ag plus CrO4 2 minus. To balance this 2 Ag, Ag2, so 2 Ag. So here Ag2Cr2O4 solubility is taken as CS because it's unknown value, it's not given. 2 Ag plus means here also 2 number of Ag plus is given means here it is taken as 2S. Then CrO4 2 minus is also taken as CS. Okay, AgNO3 the concentration is given, here the concentration is not given, for that only we are taking that yes. Consider the CS. Okay, AgNO3 concentration is given at 0.01. So here also 0.01. NO3 is also in 0.01. So what is solubility product KSP is equal to just the product of concentration of the products. Okay, so Ag plus number of moles should be taken as a power, so the whole power to CrO4 2 minus. Then substitute the values here because Ag plus is equal to, what is Ag plus? Ag plus is equal to 2S plus 0.01 altogether by mixing these two solution. So here this concentration is not known, so what is, how many Ag plus is here? Concentration 2S plus, here this is 0.1. Okay, so 2S plus 0.01, but 0.01 is greater than, very greater than 2S. இது வந்து என்ன இருக்குன்னா 0.01 வந்து எஸ்ஸோட ரொம்ப பெருசாக இருக்கும், இதை விட இது ரொம்ப டூ ஸ்மால். ஓகே, ஸோ we can take it as the Ag plus concentration is, neglect this value means Ag plus concentration is taken as 0.01. Then substitute the values here, 0.01 the whole square into CrO4 2 minus is having the concentration yes. So KSP 1 into 10 power minus 12. So 0.01 the whole square into S means S is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 12 divided by 0.01 the whole square is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 2 divided by 10. This can be written as 10 power minus 2 the whole square. So 1 into 10 power minus 12 divided by 2 into 2 4. So 10 power minus 4. Let's just you cancel, this means 1 into 10 power minus 8 m. Question number 20. Write the expression for the solubility product of Ca3PO4 twice. Calcium phosphate. So first you have to know how this calcium phosphate is undergoing ionization. So Ca3PO4 twice on undergoing ionization to form Ca2 plus, because calcium is having valency 2, so 2 charges 2 plus PO4 3 minus. Just to balance this means here calcium 3, so I have to write 3 calcium, so 3 Ca2 plus how many phosphorus? 2 phosphorus, 2 PO4 twice. Okay, so you have to write 2 PO4 3 minus. So concentration is not given here, so you have to consider that yes, concentration is taken as yes. Here 3 calcium 2 plus, so you have to take it as 3S. Here 2 PO4 3 minus means 2S. Okay, so what is KSP for this ionization? KSP is equal to calcium ion concentration into PO4 3 minus concentration to the power 3. For calcium, this number of moles should be written in form of power, so Ca2 plus power 3, PO4 3 minus power 2. Okay, so instead of this concentration you have to substitute the we considered 3s. Okay, so 3s the whole cube. Here PO4 2 minus is considered to be 2s. Okay, 2s the whole square, so 27, 3 3s are 9 and 3s are 27, s cube into 2s are 4, 4s square. Okay, so 27 into 4 108, s3 into s power s x cube into s square, so s power 5. So the answer is 108 S power 5. That is the expression for solubility for Ca3PO4 twice. Question number 21. A saturated solution is prepared by dissolving calcium fluoride in water, has concentration of calcium 2 plus is 3.3 into 10 power minus 4 m. What is the solubility of CaF2? Solubility of CaF2 is asked. So first you have to know how the ionization taking place for CaF2, calcium fluoride. Calcium fluoride is undergoing ionization to form Ce2 plus plus 2F minus. Okay, so F minus is equal to 2 calcium 2 plus. We have to take this consideration because why this is how we are taking this means 1 mole of calcium fluoride gives 2 moles of fluorine, right? 1 mole of calcium fluoride gives 2 moles of fluorine. So we can take it as fluorine is equal to fluorine ion is equal to fluorine ion, we get it from 2 times of calcium 2 plus. Okay, so calcium 2 plus concentrations given in the problem 3.3 into 10 power. Because why we are writing fluorine concentration in terms of calcium means because calcium concentration is given in the problem, right? Okay, so 2 into 3.3 into 10 power minus 4, so 6.6 into 10 power minus 4. So solubility product is equal to Ca2 plus into F minus the whole square, because this number of moles should be written in the power. So substitute the values 3.3 into 10 power minus 4 into 6.6 into, because F minus is having 6.6 into 10 power minus 4 the whole square. So 3.3 into 10 power minus 4 into, if you square this means 43.56 into 10 power minus 8. So with the answer we got it 1.44 into 10 power minus 10. Problem number 22. Ksp of AgCl is 1.8 into 10 power minus 10. Calculate the molar solubility in 1 molar AgNO3. So what is given? AgCl oda solubility product is kuduthirukku 1.8 into 10 power minus 10. Calculate the molar solubility in 1 molar AgNO3. Silver nitrate 1 m la 1 molar la molar solubility ketirukku. Okay, so these two are mixing AgCl on ionization to form Ag plus Cl minus. Okay, the concentration is not given, so we are taking the concentration. Solubility of AgCl be X. Solubility for AgCl, let us consider X for Ag plus X, AgCl minus X. Okay, so then AgNO3 dissociate to form is undergoing equilibrium reaction to ionization to form Ag plus plus NO3 minus. Here also it's the concentration is given 1 m of AgNO3. Okay, so 1 m, here 1 m and here 1 m. So here Ag plus concentration is equal to, Ag plus concentration is equal to, by combining these two means total number of Ag plus, இதில் உள்ள total number of Ag plus add பண்ண எடுக்கணும்னா Ag plus x இருக்கு, Ag plus 1. Okay, so x plus n. X is very smaller than 1. So we can neglect that value. The Ag plus concentration is equal to 1. Then Cl minus concentration is taken as x because it's considered to be x. Okay, so Ksp is equal to Ag plus concentration Cl concentration. Ksp value is given 1.8 into 10 power minus 10. So substitute the value of Ag is 1 means Ag instead of Ag you have to write 1. Cl concentration is taken as x. So just you take the x to left hand side means you can get 1.8 into 10 power minus 10 m. That is the solubility of AgNO3, molar solubility of AgCl in 1 m of AgNO3. Problem number 23. A particular saturated solution of silver chromate Ag2CrO4 has concentration of Ag plus is 5 into 10 power minus 5 and CrO4 2 minus is 4.4 into 10 power minus 4 meter. What is the value of Ksp for Ag2CrO4? Concentrations are given for Ag plus and CrO4 2 minus. What is the value of solubility product? Okay, for Ag2CrO4. So first you have to write the ionization reaction Ag2CrO4 to form 2Ag plus CrO4 2 minus. So what is Ksp? Ksp is equal to Ag plus concentration, number of moles should be written as a power. So Ag plus power square power 2 into CrO4 2 minus. Okay, so Ag concentration is given as 5 into 10 power minus 5 the whole square. Then CrO4 minus 2 minus also given as 4.4. Okay, so 4.4 into 10 power minus 4. Just you multiply this square means 5 5 is 25 into 10 5 2 is 10. Then 25 into 4.4 means 110 into 10 power minus 10 into 10 power minus 4, 10 power minus 14. So the answer is 1.1 into 10 power minus 12. Question number 24. Write the expression for the solubility product of Hg2Cl2. Hg2Cl2 oda solubility product expression kettirukku. Okay, so first you have to write the ionization reaction for Hg2Cl2. Okay, so this equilibrium is undergoing ionization. This will decompose into or ionize into Hg2 2 plus. Like the same way, how many Cl2 Cl minus. Okay, so this solubility is not given, so we have to take it as yes. Just to consider solubility of Hg2Cl2 is Hg2Cl2 is 2. Yes, Hg2 2 plus is yes, and 2 Cl minus is 2 yes. Here 1 mole, so 2. 1 yes. Here 2 moles of 2 ions of Cl minus, so you have to consider 2 yes. Then write the Ksp solubility product for this reaction is Hg2 2 plus. Hg2 2 plus. Number of moles not here. Then Cl how many moles? 2. Okay, so Cl minus the whole square. So instead of Hg2 plus, what is the consideration? Solubility product is taken yes. Then here Cl minus the whole square. Cl minus 2s. Okay, so 2s the whole square. So s into 2 2s are 4s square. So s into 4s square means 4s cube. So solubility product is equal to 4s cube. Problem number 25. Ksp of Ag2CrO4 is 1.1 into 10 power minus 12. What is the solubility of Ag2CrO4 in 0.1 m K2SO4? Solubility of Ag2CrO4 in 0.1 m K2CrO4. இந்த ரெண்டை mix பண்ணும்போது what is the solubility of this? Okay, so first you have to write for the both the substance, you have to write the ionization reaction. Ag2CrO4 gives 2Ag plus CrO4 2 minus. This already you know how the ionization takes place. So here X is the solubility. Just you consider X is the solubility means X here 1 mole. So here how many mole of Ag2 plus form 2. Okay, so 2X here CrO4 2 minus only 1 mole. Okay, so X. Then K2Cr2O4 potassium chromate decomposed to 2K plus CrO4 2 minus. Here the concentration is given. Okay, 0.1. Okay, so here the concentration is not given. So you have to write solubility 0.1 m. Here 2 moles, so 2 into 0.1 m. Here 0.1 m. Then how to calculate the Ag plus ions? Ag plus ions altogether in consider these two equations. Total take the total of all the Ag plus. Ag plus means only one Ag plus. So Ag plus is equal to, here it is K plus. Okay, so Ag plus concentration is equal to 2x. CrO4 2 minus is equal to CrO4 minus is in both the equations. CrO4 2 minus is present. Okay, so x plus 0.1. So CrO4 2 minus concentration is equal to x plus 0.1. X is very less than 0.1. So you can neglect this value, means CrO4 2 minus equal to 0.1. Ksp is equal to Ag plus the whole square. That already we calculate. Ksp is equal to where is that? Ksp is equal to okay, I didn't write. Ksp is equal to Ag plus the whole square with the help of this equation. Ag plus whole square into CrO4 2 minus concentration. So substitute the value. Already Ksp value is given 1.1 into 10 power minus 12 is equal to Ag plus is 2x. Okay, so 2x the whole square into CrO4 2 minus is 0.1 to 0.1. 4x square this means 4x square into 0.1. So simplify this and calculate x. So 0.4x square is equal to 1.1 into 10 power minus 12. So x square is this value. So x is equal to square root of this means you can get 1.65 into 10 power minus 6 m. Question number 26. Will a precipitate be formed when 0.150 liter of 0.1 m PbNO3 twice, that is lead nitrate, and 0.1 liter of 0.2 m sodium chloride are mixing? KSP for PbCl2 is given as 1.2 into 10 power minus 5. So what are the solutions are mixing? 0.15 liter of 0.1 m lead nitrate and 0.1 liter of 0.2 molar sodium chloride is mixing. Calculate KSP of lead chloride is also given as 1.2 into 10 power minus 5. So total volume for 0.150 liter and this is in 0.1 liter, so totally 0.25 liter. Lead nitrate undergoing ionization to form Pb2 plus ion and 2NO3 minus ion. Lead nitrate is in 0.15 and this is 0.1 molar, this is 0.2 because 2 number of moles are here, so 0.2. So number of moles of Pb2 plus can be calculated by molarity into volume of solution. So molarity of Pb is 0.1, PbNO3 is 0.1, PbNO3 is 0.1. Okay, so 0.1 into volume of the solution is 0.15 ml is equal to 0.05015, that is based on the formula concentration is equal to N by V. Then Pb2 plus concentration is equal to number of moles by volume. Number of moles of Pb2 plus is 0.015 divided by 0.25 is equal to 0.6. Then sodium chloride, started with sodium chloride. So sodium chloride concentration is given already 0.2. So all the NaCl and Na plus and Cl minus concentrations are 0.2. Number of moles of Cl minus is equal to what is the formula? Molarity into volume of solution. So molarity is 0.2 into volume of solution is 0.1. Okay, multiply this two means you can get 0.2. Then Cl concentration is equal to number of moles divided by volume. Number of moles divided by volume 0.02 divided by 0.25. Total volume 0.25. So we are getting 0.08. So Pb, what is ionization? Ionic product of this PbCl2 is Pb2 plus concentration into Cl the whole square, concentration to the power 2. So Pb concentration is calculated 0.06 into Cl is having 0.08 the whole square. KSP value is given as 1.2 into 10 power minus 5. This is greater than means precipitation is taking place. To compare the values, if you multiply this 2 means you can get 0.000384. So we can write it as 3.84. Just we take 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal point here means 3.84 into 10 power minus 4 is greater than 1.2 into 10 power minus 5. Compare this two value, which is greater, this will be greater. Ionic product is greater than 1.25 into 10 power minus 5. And what is the condition for precipitation? If the ionic product is greater than solubility product means precipitation take place. So ionic product is more here, so PbCl2 is precipitated. Problem number 27. KSP of AlOH rises 1 into 10 power minus 15 m. At what pH does 1 into 10 power minus 3 m Al3 plus precipitate on the dilution of buffer in ammonium chloride and ammonium hydroxide solution? First you have to write the ionization of aluminum hydroxide. Aluminum, you know the valency 3. So Al3 plus, charge 3 plus 3 OH minus. Okay, this will be ionized into this form. Then what is the ionic solubility product? Solubility product is equal to product of the concentration of the product. Okay, so Al3 plus into OH minus the concentration 3 should be written in the power. Then what is the condition for precipitation? Ionic product is greater than KSP. Solubility product means that must be solution must be precipitate. Aluminum hydroxide will be precipitate. This is the condition. So find out the ionic product. Al3 plus into OH minus the whole power 3 is greater than KSP means just we have to calculate this value. Aluminum 3 plus having the concentration, it's given in the problem 1 into 10 power minus 3. Then OH is not given. OH the whole power 3 is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 15. Then just you take this OH minus concentration left hand side and take this 1 into 10 power minus 3 concentration other side, 1 into 10 power minus 15 divided by 1 into 10 power minus 3. You cancel this, means you can get 1 into 10 power minus 12. OH minus the whole cube is equal to 10 power minus 12. So how to calculate OH? Just a power of 12 divided by 3 means we can get 4. So, okay, 1 into 10 power minus 4m. So OH is no means how to calculate POH? POH is equal to minus of log OH. Similar to H, from H plus how to calculate pH? pH is equal to negative log of H plus concentration. So here instead of H, POH is given. So minus of log OH minus to the base 10, concentration to the base 10. So instead of OH you have to substitute 1 into 10 power minus 4. This is in the form of log A into B. Log A into B is equal to log A plus log B. Then this is also in the form of log A power n. Log A power n means n log m, n log A. So minus log 1, minus of this minus is common for both the numbers. So minus of minus 4 into log 10. Minus 1, log 1 is 0 value. So minus into minus plus log 10 1. So minus into minus plus 4. So pH is equal to POH is equal to 4. So how to calculate pH? pH already pH plus POH is equal to 14. So from this relation we can calculate pH is equal to 14 minus POH value 4 is equal to 10. So at pH 10 AlOH thrice will be precipitated. So pH calculated is 10. So at pH 10 pH value is at 10 means AlOH thrice, aluminum hydroxide will be precipitates.